Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Python. Today we are going to see the interesting thing that is called how to create chessboard with the help of Python today. So once you execute the program, is show like this only. So do you want to create like this? We need support of two libraries. One is called matplotlib and one more called the NumPy. So let's go for the coding here. How to create like this with the help of chessboard with Python. So before going this coding, we have to install the library called matplotlib. So can you pip install matplotlib. After execute installing only, you can go for the program here. So as of you know, it's a simple program where you can get the screen like this. So first I'm going to write the code like this: import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Then I'm writing import space num as np. Then I'm going to call something from the matplotlib for getting the colors and background. So as of you know, what is chess? Chess is one of the game where it consists of a 8x8 portal. It total consists of 64 boxes, square boxes like this. So and more it consists of a queen, king, soldiers, elephant, and so on and so on. So we are going to just design the layout of the chess only. So then after this complete this line, from I'm writing the code here from matplotlib colors space import log num. So this is for getting the color and background. Then I'm going to write the two variables, calling the two variables called dx comma dy is equal to 0.015 comma 0.05. Then I'm going to write the coding like x equal to np dot arange of minus 4 comma 0, then 4 comma 0 comma dx, then y is equal to np dot arange of minus 4 comma 0, then 4 comma 0 comma dy for making the sizes. Then I'm going to write x comma y is equal to np dot meshgrid of x comma y. That means you will get the structure, the square and whatever one the structure you can get. And then we can write, we are going to extend, that means called method called extend is equal to np dot minimum of x comma np dot maximum of x and np dot minimum of y and np dot maximum of y. This is for get the minimum and maximum size of the layout. So whenever want you can reduce it, reduce the size or maximize the size also, minimize or maximize. Then I'm writing the first variable called z1, that is called writing np z1 is equal to np dot add at outer of range of 8 comma range of 8 del mod 2. Then I'm writing plt dot im show. This is for showing the layout or what are going to generate with the help of this matplotlib. That time you need this function. So writing plt dot im show of z1 comma cmap is equal to binary underscore r. Then I'm continuing writing interpolate interpolation is called nearest, then xn is called xn. Then I'm writing alpha is equal to 1. Then I'm continuing the code. Then the important thing, I'm going to write the code because this is for chess function. So just comes the writing definition df space chess of x comma y. Then I'm writing the formula return of 1 minus x by 2 plus x double multiplies 5 plus y double multiplies 6 and so on. After code is closing the brackets, multiplies np dot expression of minus of again bracket x 2 multiplies 2 plus y multiplies 2 and so on. Then I'm writing another variable called result is equal to z2 is equal to chess of x comma y. So this is for make perfect structure of the chessboard. Then I'm writing plot plt dot im show of z comma alpha is equal to 0.7. Then interpolation of is equal to bilinear and xn is equal to xn. So whenever you can reduce size here, 0.7 is there. To one next time you can 0.5, 0.8 or 0.6 also. Then I'm going at last I'm going to give the title, that is plt dot title of chessboard with Python and plt dot show up. So when I go like this, the it will generate the successfully the chessboard with a title called chessboard with Python. So once you run the program, it show the output like this. So simple and very easy. So this is a way how to develop the chessboard with the Python with the two libraries called matplotlib and NumPy also. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media and feel free to contact. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends, and thank you.